Participants at the National Conference on Legislative Pathways to a Sustainable Future have called on African countries to enact laws that will create an enabling environment for investment in the renewable energy sector. That was the consensus at a National Legislative Conference on Enhancing Energy Security, Reducing Transportation Costs. Of course, National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
Last year's removal of petrol subsidy was a turning point for government as it executed new plans and policies to help the country build resilience and emerge economically stronger. One of these policies is the transition from petrol consumption to the compressed natural gas.
This is the way to go. This is the rough way not to go. It's up to you to decide.
This annual legislative conference is the sixth in the series and brings together 7 and past legislators, energy experts, and the civil society community to share thoughts on how best Nigeria can leverage on the opportunities in the energy sector to impact the economy.
The conference would provide us with a unique opportunity to explore how compressed natural gas can serve as a transformative tool in our quest for a more secure, cost-effective, and environmental conscious future.
The Energy Transition Index in its report says Nigeria is at the bottom among 20 countries with poor energy transition processes, days after the House of Representatives calls for a legislation backing the CNG initiative. NILDs and other thought leaders here echoed the same view. They urged Nigeria to emulate Rwanda, which increased its electricity access from 6% in 2009 to 75% in 2024.
One of the policy issues now, which is about CNG, one of the identifiable problems of that policy is that not much of input from the legislature is being observed there.
Infrastructure issues must be resolved to fully realize the potentials of the federal government's dream.
When this policy was inaugurated, they set a target of 11,500 CNG-enabled vehicles. Where are we?
The presidential initiative estimates that we will have 150,000 units of vehicles using CNG by the end of this year. I do not think that we are anywhere near that figure.
The World Economic Forum says Africa has a significant role to play in the energy transition process, but that its success depends on how its governments harness legislative frameworks to support investment drive. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.